13, 14 official training, 15 we are playing against Bari. Strong team, second position.
Coach. Coach.
Oh, berarti kita bikin Jakarta nih, kita apa?
Bercanda.
Tidak ada cerita.
Beb. Suara.
Selamat sore.
Sore. Amin.
Bercanda.
Bisa.
Ya, 3 poin.
Amin. Itu.
Guys, for you today, to warm up, the stadium is full. So if you don't have motivation with a full stadium, you are not a football player.
Motivasi ya, stadion full, jadi mulai dari pemanasan.
Important to make it warm up, to incentivize, give motivation for your teammates. When you make a mistake on the pass, motivation high. Very important, respect opponent team. Respect
Hargai lawan, hargai wasit.
Respect them because we want what's happening
Hargai
here. We want
supporter
can come back to make on qualifiers. Okay, so enjoy the game. This is a moment to enjoy the game. If we not enjoy the game with the full stadium, we are not. We don't have passion for football.
Bukan pemain sepak bola kalian kalau kalian tidak diikuti pertandingan di stadion full. Ya?
Oke guys. Shoot more than them.
lebih dari mereka.
We need to be more humble than them.
Rendah hati, lebih rendah hati lagi.
Guys, we are together in the same boat. In the same boat.
Sama-sama kita sekarang itu di kapal yang sama.
After 7 hari, we are here together.
Setelah 7 hari, kita lagi sama-sama.
So very important that when finish the match, I don't care if we win, if we draw, if we lose, but I want to feel that everybody is 200%.
Lebih cepat, guys.
Alhamdulillah ya.
Pelatih sebelum pertandingan hingga membuat penampilan PSM terbilang konsisten. Pastinya di belakang jangan ada pelanggaran ceroboh. Terus kalau bisa jangan ada main yang bisa merugikan tim. Kalau bisa ke depan kita setidaknya kita harus dapat poin di sini.
This is 1 point. It's 1 more point. We can win, we can lose. It's football.
Ya, 1 poin tetap poin berharga bagi kita. Bisa menang, bisa kalah. Inilah sepak bola.
Now, one of the things that we must be responsible on these 7 days is
Ya, satu hal yang perlu masing-masing dari kalian bertanggung jawabkan ya.
guys, your body is your instrument of work.
Badan kalian jaga badan kalian. Karena badan kalian yang kalian gunakan, alat yang kalian gunakan untuk
So,
bekerja.
you know that we go to training 11, 12, 13, 14 official training, 15 we are playing against Bari. Strong team, second position.
Kalian tahu kita cuma punya 4 hari untuk latihan. 3 hari lah, dan mulai tanggal 11, 12, 13.
And you
Dan
know,
ini tim Barito, tim kuat.
so take care of your body.
Jadi jaga badan kalian.
Second thing, you know that on Barito is at home. Afternoon, maybe hot. So take care of your physical.
Fisiknya kalian juga. Pertandingan selanjutnya itu di kandang.
After
hari jam 3.
After Barito, we're gonna have many games and many trips.
Dan setelah Barito, jadwal kita padat. Belum lagi perjalanan-perjalanan yang kita harus lakukan.
It's very important we win 3 points at home against Barito.
Jadi penting sekali ini 3 poin ini lawan Barito di kandang.
Because after we come from Vietnam, we play on Borneo away. After we play Semarang away. It's many games and short periods and many travels.
Setelah kita Barito, kita akan away ke Vietnam. Vietnam balik ke Indonesia, away lawan Borneo. Habis Borneo, jarak lagi. Banyak itu perjalanan yang kita lakukan mulai dari Vietnam ke Borneo, terus away lagi ke PCS.
Enjoy these 7 days with your family, with your friends. Take care of your instrument of work, that is your body. Who's going to...
Nikmati, tapi bertanggung jawab. Jaga badan kalian, jaga fisik kalian.
Who go to national team, make your best. Take care of your body also.
Lakukan yang terbaik, jaga badan kalian juga.
And after on 11, all together guys, we need mentality strong and fresh to start again, and we hope we take a point. Very important.